The Canal Saint-Martin in Paris is renowned for its picturesque views, but beneath its serene surface lies a hidden history that spans centuries. Recently, the canal, stretching 4.5 kilometers, underwent a much-needed cleaning for the first time since 2001. What emerged from the murky depths was a trove of artifacts that ranged from fascinating to downright bizarre, revealing layers of Parisian life that had been submerged for decades. But hey, before we dive into the story, do yourself a favor and pause the video right now. Go hit that like button and let's see if we can make this video reach 1,000 likes. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to your favorite story channel. Also, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and weirdest stories. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming your way. Now, sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we take you on an unforgettable ride. Don't forget to engage with us in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Without further ado, let's dive right in. City authorities initiated the project to drain and clean the canal, removing over 40 tons of debris in the process. Among the expected beer cans and wine bottles were thousands of abandoned bicycles, mopeds, and even artifacts dating back to the First World War. This massive undertaking was a reminder of the canal's rich history and the role it has played in Parisian life. The Canal Saint-Martin's construction was ordered by none other than Napoleon in 1802, designed to bring fresh water to the rapidly growing city and provide a vital avenue for commerce. Its funding came from a tax on wine, a quintessentially French approach to public works. Over the years, as Paris expanded, the canal bore the brunt of urban growth and pollution, transforming from a lifeline into a watery garbage dump. As workers descended into the drained canal bed, they encountered a surreal landscape where history met modernity. The assortment of items pulled from the muck reflected the canal's storied past and its more recent history. The sight was a bizarre spectacle for city residents, who gathered in large numbers to watch the cleaning process. They witnessed everything from rusted shopping carts to old boomboxes and vintage cameras being hauled out, each item telling its own unique story. Birds flocked to the newly exposed canal bed, intrigued by the sudden transformation of their habitat. The canal's aquatic residents, however, faced a more precarious situation. To ensure their safety, workers diligently relocated over 4 tons of fish to safer waters, demonstrating a commitment to preserving the canal's ecological balance. The deeper workers dug, the more intriguing the discoveries became. They found relics from the First World War, including coins and an unexploded shell. Perhaps the most astonishing find was an old car, submerged and forgotten, a testament to the canal's long history as a repository of the city's discarded items. The canal's cleanup not only unearthed historical treasures, but also offered a glimpse into the everyday lives of Parisians through the decades. Everyday objects, though mundane, carried a certain historical dignity, providing a tangible connection to the past. For the workers, it was like wading through a time capsule, each artifact a piece of the city's rich tapestry. As the cleaning project progressed, anticipation grew about what else might be hidden in the canal's depths. The excitement was palpable among residents and workers alike, each new discovery adding to the canal's storied history. It was a poignant reminder of how urban spaces accumulate layers of history, often hidden from view but always present just below the surface. In addition to the more modern artifacts, there were plenty of older items that painted a vivid picture of the canal's past. These relics, some dating back over a century, included old cameras and radios that once captured and broadcast the moments of their time. Their discovery provided a fascinating juxtaposition to the newer items, highlighting the canal's role as a silent witness to the passage of time. The project also sparked a broader conversation about the importance of maintaining and preserving urban waterways. The Canal Saint-Martin, with its blend of history and modernity, serves as a reminder of the need to balance urban development with environmental stewardship. As the canal was restored to its former glory, it once again became a symbol of the enduring resilience and beauty of Paris. The cleaning of the Canal Saint-Martin was more than just a routine maintenance task. It was an excavation of Paris's hidden history. The artifacts pulled from the muck told stories of a city that has continuously evolved, reflecting the changing lives and times of its residents. The canal, now cleaner and more beautiful than ever, stands as a testament to Paris's rich past and its enduring spirit. In the end, the canal's restoration was not just about removing debris, but about rediscovering and celebrating the history embedded in one of Paris's most iconic waterways. The treasures found within its depths serve as a reminder of the ever-changing yet timeless nature of the city, where each layer of history adds to the vibrant tapestry that makes Paris the beloved city it is today. One of the most surprising finds during the cleaning was a series of old safes. Some were empty, while others still contained documents and personal belongings, hinting at stories of past crimes or forgotten secrets. Each discovery was like opening a window into the lives of those who had come before, offering a glimpse of the challenges and triumphs they faced. The canal also yielded a variety of toys, including old dolls and toy cars, likely tossed aside by children decades ago. These items, now caked in mud and rust, once brought joy to their young owners and now served as poignant reminders of the passage of time. The workers carefully preserved these finds, recognizing their sentimental value and the stories they represented. Local historians and archaeologists were called in to help catalog the finds and provide context for their historical significance. The collaborative effort turned the cleaning project into a citywide event, drawing interest from people of all ages who were eager to learn more about their heritage. Schools organized field trips to the site, and children watched in awe as ancient artifacts were pulled from the muck. The cleaning of the Canal Saint-Martin was more than just a routine maintenance task. It was an excavation of Paris's hidden history. The artifacts pulled from the muck told stories of a city that has continuously evolved, reflecting the changing lives and times of its residents. The canal, now cleaner and more beautiful than ever, stands as a testament to Paris's rich past and its enduring spirit. In the end, the canal's restoration was not just about removing debris, but about rediscovering and celebrating the history embedded in one of Paris's most iconic waterways. The treasures found within its depths serve as a reminder of the ever-changing yet timeless nature of the city, where each layer of history adds to the vibrant tapestry that makes Paris the beloved city it is today. As the cleaning process neared completion, there was a sense of renewal and anticipation in the air. The Canal Saint-Martin, once burdened by years of neglect and pollution, was now a revitalized symbol of Parisian heritage and pride. The city's residents looked forward to enjoying its beauty and tranquility once more, knowing that beneath its surface lay the hidden stories of their collective past.